Camp Nou is looking absolutely stunning. We're here enjoying the incredible progress of our stadium, especially with the rapid installation of the compression ring. New towers are taking shape across the venue, Gol Norte is buzzing as ceramic panels go up, and VIP boxes and service areas show precise, organized progress. Every corner is alive with activity, highlighting just how massive and modern this stadium is becoming. Let's dive in and check out all the latest developments. Today, we're checking out one of the most impressive updates at Camp Nou. The compression ring is clearly visible, forming a massive, strong structure around the stadium. Seeing these huge sections lifted and positioned with such precision is impressive, while workers secure bolts and finalize every detail, showcasing the stadium's incredible progress. Work continues across the site, with teams installing new structural elements one after another. The scale of the project is clear as larger sections are handled with speed and control. From above, the third tier is taking clear shape, with seating and structure becoming more visible. The stadium's full form is now coming together, showing just how big and modern it will be. The decorative panels at Gol Sur are already looking impressive, especially in the lateral and corner sections. Only the core areas are left to be completed, which will make the design even more striking. Inside Camp Nou, the transformation is truly breathtaking. The players' tunnel looks exceptional, with elegant glass panels adding a premium and modern touch as players make their way onto the pitch. The locker rooms feel world-class, beautifully designed with a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Every interior detail, from seating angles to VIP areas, reflects top-level quality, making the stadium not just modern, but truly spectacular from the inside. At the trenches, we were amazed to see the TC4 crane in action. It wasn't lifting the main new section yet, but another platform high above the stadium. Even though it wasn't the section we were eagerly waiting for, this step is crucial, laying the groundwork for more pillars. The speed and coordination truly highlight the project's incredible progress. In Gol Sur and Gol Norte, many connection points have already been concreted. The new platform seems set in the central area to support future sections, ensuring everything is positioned safely and precisely. On the side, small service cabins are being unloaded for matchday operations, while the VIP ring is now closed with black sandwich panels behind the ceramic llamas, showing clean and organized progress. Although the main box hasn't been lifted yet, more towers and platforms are going up. The quick pace highlights the efficiency of the workers and ensures the next sections will be ready to install in the coming days. At Gol Norte, work is moving at full speed. Sandwich panels are being installed rapidly, and the coordination between cranes and workers keeps the core progressing steadily, showing just how massive this transformation is. We've arrived at the ramp, and it's amazing to see how fast things are moving. Trucks have been non-stop delivering soil, and now about 60% of the ramp is filled. At the north goal section, ceramic slats are now being installed. Installation starts on the left side and moves to the right. The superstructure is beginning to look fully clad. Panel units on the cores are also being installed, while debris is constantly cleared from the area. Important materials for VIP areas are observed, still unopened. Painting continues on the beams, with putty applied where needed. Anchors on the superstructure are carefully checked, and each platform applies treatments with attention to detail. The VIP boxes are one of the most strategically important sections of the renovation. Workers are focusing heavily here because these boxes are central to Barcelona's financial strategy. Once operational, they will generate significant revenue through premium hospitality, corporate deals, and exclusive matchday experiences, supporting the club's financial health and stability. The day-to-day progress in this area is highly visible, showing steady improvement. While less visually dramatic, the ventilation tube installation is critical for the stadium's functionality. Across the grandstand and other sections, the tubes are being installed consistently, providing full coverage and showcasing the scale of this vital system. Each day, the system becomes more comprehensive, highlighting the careful planning behind the scenes. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. If you loved seeing the amazing progress, like the video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes updates. Stay tuned for all the latest developments.